Hey y'all, hey, it is Friday and I am currently off from work on my way home to try to get some rest for tonight. I gotta work there at my other job. I just wanted to come on here and say, hey, how y'all doing? I am Michelle from Michelle's Home. And if you're not a subscriber, please hit that like and subscribe. Hit that notification so you can get all my new vlogs and videos. I would appreciate it. I do appreciate my subscribers already. And yeah, but I'm on my way home. Hey, I went to Sam Club yesterday and got some totes. Got a couple of rotisserie chickens for lunch. And I got me some seasonings. Yeah. It's been a lot going on, y'all, but I'm gonna fight through it. That's what life is. That's what life is, y'all. Getting through stress and turmoil and putting it in God's hands. That's what I've been doing. Go home. I took my vitamins. I've been taking them good lately. Taking my vitamins. Trying to eat right. Working out is very hard for me lately. I don't know what it is, but I can't let the stress of life stop me from getting my weight down, getting my health back right. You know, the less I weigh, the less pain I have, so. And right now, I've been having a lot of knee pain, especially working these two jobs. I don't know why they say 0.7 is part-time, but honey, the way I've been working, it's a full-time job for me. You know? Well, yeah, I don't have anything planned today, y'all. I want to go to a couple of festivals. But, yeah, we gonna see. Summerfest, I think, is almost over. State Fair haven't started yet. Greek Fest was a bust. It was so tiny. They done made it so small. It used to be at State Fairgrounds, but yeah, it sucked. Hey guys, this is Michelle from Michelle Home. I wanted to show you my little beauty haul. I have some nail glue to go with my Bart Box nails, wide bed. Let's hope they fit these wide fingernails. I also got some Givati lashes, so cute, with some super strong nail adhesive with a top coat. I also got some Nairobi Rapid and Shine. She didn't get my wrapping paper. Dang, my hair wraps. And I got a set of combs, different sizes. These right here gonna work real good in the back. So yeah, that's my little haul, guys. If you're not a subscriber, please hit that like and subscribe. I would appreciate it. Hey y'all, hey. It is, what night is this? What day is it, y'all? Oh, Wednesday night. I am off tonight, thank God, y'all. I'm so tired. I took me a nap and got up and watered my garden, and now I'm watering the grass around the corner. Getting that nice and watered. I feel so good out here up under this gazebo. It's still humid, but the wind is blowing really hard, but I got my stuff staked in really good all the way around. As you guys can hear, the dang cars and... Okay, y'all, I am back. Like I said, I'm just relaxing out here, enjoying my day, my night off. Watering my yard, my grass, and my garden. My garden is growing so good. It's growing so good. I put one torch out, but the other one, I don't know. I done bent the leg and listen. I have bitten the leg, so I just gotta try to bend it back and wet the ground, at least to put it in the ground. Because I definitely want to light it on the 4th. Come out and when I get off on the 4th in the morning. But tomorrow I'm going to go get my stuff. So yeah, I'm going to go to Sam's and Artie's and get what I'm going to cook. I don't know what all I'm cooking, but I know I want some fried cabbage and a pan of cornbread. I want a cheesecake. I've been wanting a cheesecake and I've been wanting a banana pudding. So, yeah, we might do a banana pudding cheesecake with some good cookies, maybe some Biscoff cookies. Alright, y'all, I'll call y'all back. I'll show y'all my garden in a minute when I get up. So y'all, I am outside still. I got the fireball going, the citronelle candle. I am enjoying my backyard on my day off. It is nice and peaceful. I got my cup of ice water. I'm in my chair, but that's my sectional, y'all. It looks so good over there. We are definitely going to be back here on the 4th. I'm going to have it set up real nice. I'm going to move those tables over there and put my folding table back here. Slide this back a little bit more. Put my table over there, have some snacks. My cooler, I'm going to wash that out and get some ice. Fill that up. Put some wine cooler, some waters, some tea in there. And yeah, we're going to use the small grill over there. I want some fried cabbage, me a nice cheesecake. I think I'm going to do a banana pudding cheesecake. Ooh, the wind trying to blow, y'all. That citronelle candle going, my little water fountain I got going, and the fire bowl. Listen, it feels awesome out here. Good morning, y'all. It is Michelle from Michelle's Home. I'm in the gazebo about to put some meat on the grill. I got up early and did my gazebo, set up the table. I just took me a shower, watered the garden over there. It's looking good, nice and hot. I got the grill going. I just started it. I'm gonna put the hot dogs, the brocks, and my salmon on it. And then after they get done, we're gonna do the chicken. That's gonna take the longest, so I'm gonna cook that last. And yeah, I just had me a little taste of my Brussels sprouts with kielbasa and bacon and what's that stuff? Broccoli. It's so good. Broccoli, peppers, onions, Brussels sprouts, bacon, and kielbasa. I don't think I'm ever gonna make it any different. It's so good. I got my corn on the cob in there boiling. And yeah, got a nice little breeze out here. Got my ice water. And yeah, I'm about to put this meat on the grill and I will show you after. Alright y'all, the grill is nice and hot. We're gonna put these rocks on first. Oh yes, I clamped the grill off. Yes. Ooh, they cooking good, y'all. It's hot, okay? We're gonna put all these hot dogs on here. Of course, they are turkey hot dogs. I haven't used this grill in a minute, so it took me a minute to get it right. No flour, nothing sweet. Michael vegan, gluten free, really free, independent. It's just me and my cheese. Alright, y'all. So I got the salmon on, a couple pieces of chicken, all the hot dogs, all the brocks, and we're gonna let it go. I haven't cooked on this grill in so long, but ain't nothing wrong with doing it now. We're gonna close it up and let it. I am gonna come relax. Hey y'all, forgot to show y'all the finished result. I done made a plate, ate it. But that's the chicken, Brussels sprouts with kielbasa, broccoli, onions, peppers, and bacon. So good. I got the corn over here. Just regular corn on the cob. And then we got this hot dogs, brocks, and salmon, y'all. That is so good on the grill. Y'all definitely need to try to cook that up. I was gonna chill outside, but it's storming. It's about to. The rain almost got me. Cover my stuff up. Hold on once, y'all. Alright, y'all. If I make another plate, which I probably am, I'll show you a plate then. But that's the 4th of July. Listen, y'all. The s'more look a mess, y'all. But they are so... When I say good, I love a burnt s'more. I love it. This one is a whole marshmallow like that. So, and these back here, I cut one in half. So, they good. Hey guys, I am off for my first shift. On my way home. How you guys doing? I'm Michelle from Michelle's Home. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you guys. If you're not a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button. I would appreciate it. Hey guys, hey. This is Michelle from Michelle's Home. Oh, I haven't been feeling well. Y'all got vertigo. Y'all gotta excuse me, but I'm about to take a shower, wash my hair, do some skincare, and relax. Yeah, your girl got vertigo. I'll call you back. Alright, y'all, I'm back. Just for my skincare. Instead of going my hair. Baby had to come home and take me to urgent care yesterday. What type of work you gotta do? Good morning, everybody. I am Michelle from Michelle's Home. I made me a nice breakfast sandwich with some turkey bacon, an egg, and some apple jelly with hibiscus herbs, some diced sweet potatoes, and my baby don't eat egg or cheese, so I just put bacon on hers with the jam, and her some diced sweet potatoes. Made me a cup of tea. There's my vitamin, and yeah, this is our breakfast.